you a review on the, I guess the other leaf blower I did, which is a little bigger than this one. But I said, sure, why not? Send it to me. I don't get paid for any of these reviews, guys. Any review that I do, I'm like, yeah, send it to me. I'd like to, because these are things, especially this Lazy Boy. Where is little Santiago? Especially these little ones. They're good to have if you're in a 20-foot motorhome. I mean, this is if I haven't put it together yet, I don't even know what the heck really looks like, but I'm just looking at the side here, this little picture right here. This is a good thing to have inside the motorhome, because when we first get to a spot, wherever we go, we always clean and sweep the part, you know, where you're at, because there's always some dummy that leaves trash or garbage or leaves sitting around. So let's pull this out. And we're gonna do, once I get this together, we're gonna do a little difference between the Lazy 20-volt leaf blower and not to give Lazy.
And yours is a cordless.
Garbage, excess little connect little adapters, garbage. Oh wow, I like this little thing there. That is so cool. Oh, Santiago, come on over here, buddy. I got a new product you need to look at. There's a battery, guys. This is a regular 20-volt lithium battery. That's pretty cool. Well, let me go ahead and put this on it just for the meantime. All right, so here we go. This is really cool. I really like this thing. This is coming with me in the motorhome right here, guys. Sorry, Steve. Even though Steve, now come over here. Look at these two. Here, come on. Which one would you want to own if you're in a 20-foot motorhome? This guy right here, or me, a little 20-foot Nomad in a 20-foot. Look at this thing, Maria. Is this not nice?
It is nice.
She's loving this thing. The color alone is great.
I could use it just for my deck.
Exactly.
You
On the
know?
side of your deck, right?
Right.
And that's
Just
right. Can I clean it out? You used to have to sweep,
Right.
get underneath the planters.
Exactly.
This thing is
under
perfect.
the furniture.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys? I'm gonna get this on the charger, and we'll get right back to you. Just a little test here. Obviously, I'm in my cousin Maria's beautiful backyard. We're gonna just do a little scan on the pool area right here, and the man who made this all possible back here, Steve Botto Landscaping. Okay, so I have the 20-volt max lithium Lazy Boy Maria. Over here, Maria. Come on, we're not selling your house. Okay, you got the 20-volt Lazy Boy. This is pretty cool, guys. I'm telling you. The battery is fully charged. Oh, it's inside. I don't want to pull it out, but the battery's fully charged. Here we go. I got it on regular. This is regular. That's pretty good. I mean, you're in a motorhome. You don't want to disturb the neighbors. That does what it needs to do. Clean the deck off, you know. So let's put it on. That's regular power. Max power. Oh boy, look at that. No, I'm just being honest with you. It's doing what you're supposed to do. What's it supposed to do? I mean, it's not blowing rocks off the, you know, your deck or anything, but come on. Santiago, what do you think, buddy? There you go, guys. The Lazy Boy 20-volt Maxium, 2 amp hours. Now that means you can do this probably for about 40 minutes. Probably not that much, but it's just to clean off the debris. It's not going to move the earth from the ground. And sometimes that's a good thing, because when you're around planters and you're around different things that you're pushing leaves around with, you don't want to blow the planter over or stuff like that. So I'm just going to give you a Lazy Boy, that's B-O-I, not B-O-Y, 20-volt max lithium, 2 amp hour leaf blower. Guys, I like this. This is pretty cool. And you guys know, I guarantee the comments I get from especially nomads, especially the wives who end up dusting off the step. But when you take off these two adapters, it fits in right underneath the seat. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. The description of Lazy Boy is going to be at the bottom of the video with a link we can go and purchase this thing. Again, I didn't get paid to do this. They sent this to me to do the review, and I think that you guys buy one of these. I really think you're going to like it because it's not going to move heaven and earth, but it will move the debris around the motorhome.